Hello kids, gather round. The letter I is where fun is found. Let's sing about adjectives oh so bright. With animals helping, it's a jolly delight.
I is for incredible, incredible. That's what you are, can't you see? Amazing and awesome, full of surprise. Incredible shines like stars in the skies.
I is for incredible, incredible. That's what you are, can't you see? Amazing and awesome, full of surprise. Incredible shines like stars in the skies.
I is for intelligent, intelligent. Smart and clever, you're heaven sent. You think so fast, you solve with ease. Intelligent kids, you're sure to please.
Intelligent.
I is for important, important. You're special to us, can't you see what we mean? Important means loved, oh yes it's true. The world is better because of you.
Important.
I is for impressive, impressive. You do great things, just watch and believe. Impressive is big, it stands out so tall. You're truly unique, the best of all.
Impressive.
I is for interesting, interesting. Curious minds explore everything. Books, games, and stories too. Interesting things are waiting for you. Interesting. I is for ideal, ideal. The best there is, and that's for real. Perfect and great in every way. You're ideal, brightening our day.
Ideal. Now we've learned the I adjectives. Repeat them all with your little lips.
Incredible, intelligent, important too. Impressive, interesting, ideal, it's you!
Man,
Play cheerful music as the animals wave goodbye.